Hi everyone, I'm Loren Castle, founder and CEO of Sweet Loren's. I'm so excited to show you my home. Come on in. First up on my tour is our sitting room. My favorite spot to talk about in this room is this table. This top actually comes up, and all of a sudden, it's like a really fun, imaginative kids space where you can build on here and use magnetiles or blocks. And then when it's time for adult time, you just easily put this back and it becomes a really adult sitting area. So it was a conscious decision to just bring in a bunch of different textures. We love this rug because it's soft and cozy. And then we wanted kind of a fun couch that reflected the artsy vibe. We really wanted to have an eclectic wall that just makes sense to us and makes us happy and reminds us of great travel and memories. We have this seamless connection to our dining room, which is right over here. Let's take a look. We love the dining area because that's where we eat every night, and we love to entertain and bring people together. And so we found a live edge wood table. It just makes the table kind of interesting and cozy. And we wanted to make sure that we were finding a way to make our fireplace just interesting and different. So we found a fluted terrazzo tile and really love how this texture plays with the wooden table. And then we thought, well, we need a third really interesting texture to kind of bring it all together. So we found this mid-century bar, and somehow it all just works perfectly together. So the upstairs is comprised of 4 bedrooms, and I wanted to show you this room because I think it's just so fun and whimsical. This is my daughter's room. She's in her unicorn era, so we have a really cool unicorn lamp. We have a bunch of unicorns and her favorite stuffed animals, and just really fun wallpaper that is girly and feminine, but it's also just fun and creative, and I think it just makes every day bright when you wake up to these kind of colors. As a working mom, I'm super busy trying to manage my schedule, and as the founder and CEO of Sweet Loren's, I just have a lot of decisions to make and stress, so it's really important to have my bedroom be a place that recharges me. This is a place where I can sit and read a really good book. This is my place where I just get to take care of me and recharge so that I can be the best I can be. I fell in love with this kitchen when we saw this house. The huge double islands are really great for entertaining, but also baking. Today we're gonna bake Sweet Loren's chocolate chunk cookie dough. I'm so passionate about eating simple, clean ingredients because I survived Hodgkin's lymphoma when I was 22, and that's really the reason behind Sweet Loren's. I just wanted simple, great ingredients that everyone could eat, and to make sure that taste was always going to be there. You'll put it in at 325 for about 12 minutes. And here we have it, a gorgeous tray of freshly baked chocolate chunk cookies, warm and gooey, and tastes incredible. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you in the refrigerated cookie dough aisle soon.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.